Good day everyone. I'm Mariel Hinon. I'm here to recite 3 sets of 10 commandments of safety driving as driver. Number 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2. I will not pass without care or curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Number 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limit. Number 4. I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signals. Number 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zone. Number 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8. I do not glare my headlight on approaching cars at night. Number 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe roads conditioning are before me. Number 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian.